Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to bump your item in Vinted in 2025. If you want to bump your item for it to have a higher chance to be sold, go to Profile. Then click on your profile at the top and you'll find listings. You can click on Bump right here. Then you'll see different bumping options: 3-day local bump, 3-day international bump, 7-day local bump, or 7-day international bump. You'll also see the price right here. And that's the price that you pay for the item to be listed in higher on lists when someone searches for them, and it really increases the chance of that item getting sold. Feel free to do that for as many items as you want. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.